Welcome to this guide. So in this guide I'm going to show you how to export multiple artworks that you have created in the same canvas as displayed on your screen. So these are the three artworks, but you are going to export them in different manner. So there are various picture formats that we have in Photoshop. We have the JPG, we have PNG, and many others. So in this case, there are some photos that I want to export them as PNG, and the others that I want to export as JPG. So in this case, you need to know how can you be able to go about it, so that when you go to create your video, it becomes easier for you to be able to edit. Now, in order for you to export this, you just click on File, and then you go to Export, and then you go to Export As. Yeah. Why are we selecting Export As? Because in this case, we want to customize the way we want the exportation to take place. So if you are not sure of the format that you are going to use, then you're supposed to use Export As. Then after doing that, we are going to specify the file formats that we are going to use for all these three canvas. So the first one is that we're going to start with the first one. Then click on it, and then go to File Settings. Now under Format, you are supposed to click on this arrow, and then you can see the various formats that they do have. Now in this case, you are going to use JPG. So you are going to select JPG, and then after doing that, you go to the second one. That is the artwork 2. We are going to also to use JPG, and then the last artwork we are going to use PNG, and then make sure that this box is checked for transparency, so it is going to get rid of this white background that is being displayed on your screen when you do the exportation. Now after doing that, you just click on Export All. So you just export all, make sure that you select the folder where that particular artwork is going to be saved. So in this case, it has already selected this folder for Facebook Reel, and then you just click on Select All. So after it has been able to export them, you can go in that particular folder. You can go in that particular folder here, and then you can go to check the way it has been exported. So in this case, this is the first artwork. You can see how it appears. So you can see this is the first artwork here. So it's still loading the first artwork. So this is the first artwork, the way it is has been designed. The second one, this is the second artwork, and then you have the last artwork that is going to be displayed in this particular case. Why is it that still it is showing with the white background? Because we are going to get rid of it when we go to our VSDC. Okay, so that is where we are going to make sure that the background has been removed. So thank you so much. Bye bye.